everyone, I am Adrija. Welcome again. Today I'm back with another English related video for you all. In one of my previous videos, I shared my own daily routine with you all. And you have actually said a lot of good things about that video, so thank you so much for that. But one day I was watching that video again and I thought that the most deserving job that actually deserves to be talked about is the job of a housewife. And so I thought, why not do a video about the daily routine in the life of a housewife? Because we have no idea how hectic a day in the life of a housewife is, how they dedicate their lives, how they work hard day and night just to see a smile on our faces. So in this video, I'd like to honor all the housewives out there, all the mothers who dedicate their lives entirely to us just to make our family better. So let's begin with the daily routine of a housewife. I wake up early in the morning and start my day. Then I freshen up and brush my teeth. I wake my children up for their school. Then I prepare breakfast for my family. After that, I help my children get ready for their school. I pack tiffin boxes for my husband and children before they leave. After they leave, I have my breakfast. Then I get my household chores done, such as cleaning the house, washing clothes, dishes, etc. After completing all the household works, I spend some free time with my storybooks and music. At around 12 o'clock, I go to the kitchen and prepare lunch. My children come back home by 2 p.m. We usually have our lunch at 2:30 p.m. After having lunch, I clean up the kitchen and wash the dishes. Then I take some rest and listen to my children's school stories. In the afternoon, I go to the garden and water the plants. Then I prepare snacks and tea for my family in the evening. I help my kids with their homework. After they complete their homework, I go to the kitchen and make dinner. I enjoy dinner with my family and spend some quality family time. After dinner, I again clean the kitchen and wash the dishes. Before going to sleep, I do some self-care like focusing on my skin and hair routines. Finally, I go to sleep feeling satisfied with the day's work and preparing for another day in my life. So this is the daily routine of a housewife. I hope you liked it, and I've already talked about this in my previous video. In the previous video about the daily routine, I already told you guys to write down or to speak out your own daily routine. So I hope you're doing that. If you haven't done it yet, then make sure to write down your entire daily routine. What you do in a weekday and a weekend. So make sure to write down your own daily routine and speak it out aloud. This is going to help a lot in your English speaking practice. And if there is any housewife out there who is watching this video right now, then please share your daily routine in the comment box below. I'd be very happy if you do so. If you like this video, click on the like button. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then hit that subscribe button. Share this video with your friends and family. Meet you in the next video with another interesting topic. That's it for today. Thank you. Bye.